ASMR fun today. It is autonomous sensory meridian response. It's supposed to be relaxing and sedative. I hope it sounds relaxing and not something else, guys. Let's do some brow bone contouring, creating a shadow. I'm gonna take this shade now and let's do some blending. Yes. Put some kajal on the upper lash line, smudge the shit out of it, and try doing it out. Okay. I got these lashes from Shoppers Drug Mart. Let's try them. Alrighty, I'm holding the lash. This is so tiny. Ah, yes. Yes. Oh, sorry. I have to whisper. I'm gonna go with 4 single lashes on each eye. I like that. Very gently. I'm gonna apply the mascara. Look at the difference between both the eyes. Let's do some bronzing. Bronzing can bring a lot of difference. You can uplift your features. Okay. I love this lip shade. This is from Huda Beauty. With this. Now I'm gonna give the Indian touch. Oh yes. Okay, how are we looking? Oh my god. I just took a moment to adore myself. Alright. 1, 2, and 3. That will do the job. Okay, there you go. Desi makeup with a touch of ASMR. I hope you like it. Please let me know in the comments if you like such videos so that I can do more in future. Alright, thank you so much for